Hey everyone, welcome to Chef Dawg today. Today is Easter Sunday here at the Chef Dawg house.
Happy Easter.
Here with my beautiful wife. And we thought we'd share with you guys one of our favorite things, well, one of her favorite things to do on Sunday. It's deviled eggs.
On Sunday?
On Sunday.
Well, it's not my
Easter.
It's not my favorite
Christmas.
thing, but I've been in charge of this for how many years now? I don't know.
My dad always wants her to do the deviled eggs. So we thought we would actually go over the ingredients of the deviled eggs, show you the end product. It'll be a quick video, and then, you guys can test it out and try it if you want to. So there you go, sweetheart.
I'm just gonna say, I do mine a little simple. So maybe, comment below and tell us like the ingredients you use. I just use your, a little bit of mustard.
Well, tell them how much. Tell them what do we do? So every 6 eggs. Well, no, every 6 eggs.
It's a fourth a cup of this.
Fourth a cup of mayonnaise. Per every 6 eggs. And a teaspoon of mustard for every 6 eggs. So times
yeah. And then we put in sea salt.
Always do sea salt, right? You don't just do regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
And our chef dog, he used
Chef Dawg, meaning Grayson, the kid.
Yeah. He used the potato masher. He did all my mashing. I mean, this is like the best I've ever seen it.
So there you go. That's what it looks like here. Because since Grayson's upstairs, this is what it looks like. Look how creamy that is.
Really creamy.
That is creamy, and he mashed it with that. A masher, go figure.
Yeah.
How long do you boil your eggs for?
I have no idea.
Good to know. So
I just put them in, but I can tell you, I know like if they have gray yolk, that it's overdone.
Gray yolk means you've overdone it, all right.
But,
and then obviously if it's undercooked, it's still that.
I mean, I'm okay if it has a little bit of gray. I'd rather them be a little over than under, but I think these ones are like perfect.
But that's the finished product right there. This is what they're looking like when we're taking them to my parents today.
But yeah, maybe just let us know different things that you put in your egg recipe, because I know everybody does them a little bit different. Ours is just kind of plain, but
yeah, plain simple. So that's what she does.
And then we'll eat them.
Oh, they pound them
on all the time.
Then we put a little paprika over the top. I don't know if that adds any taste at all or flavor. Does it?
I don't know.
What are your thoughts?
My grandma always said it just makes them look pretty.
Oh, that was your grandma? Her grandma always said it makes them look pretty.
And Tim, here's your extra.
That's my dad. My dad always, so I have to get him extra. He goes and hides them.
Yeah.
Because they go pretty quick.
They do.
Anything else?
No. Just happy Easter, and hope you're having a good time with your family today.
So again, how much mayonnaise per 6? 1/4 of a cup mayonnaise per 6. And then a teaspoon of mustard. So how much sea salt? Just to taste? Just to taste. And then put all the yolk in a bowl, mash them up. The masher. Apparently that's the key. And voila, deviled eggs. Now we're going to put them in the fridge.
Yeah.
And then eat them in about, what, an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hey, hopefully y'all are enjoying your Easter Sunday. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.
See ya.
Bye-bye.